Good morning, boys and girls. I wanted to explain to you your going outside activity. So even though we are virtual and you're in the house a lot doing your work, we wanted to challenge you as your math teachers to get outside and learn math outside. So what we're going to say is you're going to go outside. Hopefully it's not raining, but even if it is, take an umbrella. Go outside, and what you're going to do is collect anything you'd like. So you can collect rocks, you can collect bugs, you can collect sticks, anything that you can find in your yard, okay? So what you're going to do is collect as many as you want, whether it be 2, 4, 10, 12, however many you can fit in your hands. Then you're going to bring them inside or keep them outside, and you're going to take a picture of your rocks, okay? And so what that means is you're going to want to show us how you would represent them if they're even or odd. So you'd count them all up. Let's say you have 11 rocks, just for an example. If you have 11 rocks, think about it. 11, is it odd or even? And how do you really know? So I'm going to share my screen with you now, and I'm going to show you what I collected. So I collected some erasers since I'm here at school. So I have some erasers here. Let's pretend these are your rocks or your bugs or your sticks or whatever you would like to collect outside. We want to get you outside to get you moving, get some sun on you, and keep you learning outside because math is everywhere. So let's pretend these are your rocks. Let's count how many I have first of all. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What a coincidence. I use that as an example, and there I have 11. So how would you show if these are odd or even? Is 11 odd or even? So I think after listening to my even day, I would give them a match. Okay, so let's say I have 2 here. This one has a match with this eraser. And because it has a match, they correspond with one another, which means if you wanted to, you could draw a line from one to the other, and they would match. So I'm just using my pencil to show that this blue eraser has a match to this blue eraser. Okay, so that's how I know it's even. Let's keep going. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I had 4, would 4 be an even number? Yes, because this one also has a match. So let's say I had 5. Would 5 be an even number? You should be thinking no, because, well, this pink eraser doesn't have a match, right? So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, should tell me that it is an odd number because it doesn't have a partner or a match. But if I had 6, that would be an even number. It has a match or a partner. So let's keep going and see if 11 will be odd or even. Okay, so we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. If I'm using my inferencing skills and my brain is turned on, I know that 10 is even because all of these erasers have matches. And when I add my 11th one that I've collected, I know 11 must be odd because look, my last eraser doesn't have a match or a partner. If it did, and I had 12, then that would be an even number. But because this doesn't have a one-to-one correspondence, meaning these don't match up, this one doesn't have a partner. So because there is no eraser here, 11 has to be odd. It doesn't have a partner, okay? So whether it be rocks or sticks or whatever you'd like to collect, that's what you're going to do. That is your assignment. Then you're going to take a picture of whatever you've collected, just like this, and you're going to write and tell us, is this number that you've collected of rocks or bugs or sticks or whatever it may be, odd or even, and how do you know? So there are 2 parts to this. You should go outside and collect. That's technically part 1. Part 2, is your number odd or even? Part 3, how do you know? All right, happy collecting. Have fun.